it's a quicker, faster, cheaper, more price performative, more featureful Bitcoin that's better for the environment. It seems like an easy sales pitch, you know, but actually it's a hard sales pitch because most people, they've never seen anything like it before. Hi everyone, I'm Richard Hart. I call the Bitcoin top of the day. My top call has been in profit every single day for like, oh my God, like a year and a half. Everyone else told you you're going to 100K. I said we were going down. Down we went. I said, don't try and short the bear market. You'll get liquidated on Scamwick. These guys tried to short Luna. It went down 95%, like 3 or 4 times in 2 weeks. They still got liquidated anyway on Scamwicks. They didn't listen. I tell people not to hunt stupid yield when you can just sit and stable and wait. Don't make bad plays. Save your powder till the bear market's over. No one fucking listens. They get liquidated in Anchor. They get liquidated in Luna. I tell people, warn about the risk of stablecoin failure. They get liquidated in UST, Luna stablecoin. I tell them, don't give your keys to other people. Don't accept counterparty risk. Crypto's invented to get rid of that. They give their coins to Celsius. They're filed for bankruptcy. BlockFi. I'm pretty sure they're bankrupt. You know, yep. Just every single thing I say, right.
Yeah.
Over and over and over and over and over and over again. It's just like, everyone should kneel. Everyone should bow down. I do this for free. Everyone else, thank you. Everyone else is like having paid groups, doing ref links, just watching you get destroyed. What's the worst thing you can do in crypto? Margin trade. What are all the people promoting on YouTube? Margin trade. Maximum destruction, maximum harm to people.
Yeah.
It's disgusting. I can't win any harder. And eventually the world will come to recognize it. Or I'll buy so much silly shit that they have to. I will buy so much silly shit that the world will have to know my name. I'm thinking of opening up a meme museum. So, you know, when you get a credit card approval, it means approval to get screwed. They can take that money back within 90 days. So cryptocurrency would remove the 1% to 3% rent-seeking tax that the credit card companies have basically burdened the economy with. It would remove, like, for instance, your bank doesn't have as good uptime as my product. Hex has had 100% perfect flawless operation for 2.5 years. Your bank hasn't. Your bank's website goes down, the ATMs go down. You can't download your records for like longer than 6 months. You're like, hey, I need a record for 7 months. Nope, sorry, we just don't have it. You just don't have it. Like, I have to sue you for it. Like, is that what's up? I gotta sue you guys to get my own records. It's just, they close your account. Oh, you sent your money in the wrong place? Close your account. Oh, you want to send money for crypto? Some banks just say no. So crypto solves, and crypto solves some of these things now. It will solve more of them in the future. You just have to know that the price drops 85 or 95% every 3 or 4 years. And some things, they get down and never get back up.
Yeah.
Luna's not going to get back up. Rug pulls aren't getting back up. Things that have had inflation bugs have been hacked. Not getting back up. Some things have inflation bugs and survive, like Bitcoin's had too. They rolled back the chain once, and then another time, you know, they just caught it before anyone used it. Luckily, Hex solves that. It's disgusting. Like, these guys sold you the top. I warned you about the top. Called it on the day. I saved you, they got you wrecked. That's what the title of my video is called. I'm out there saving people. I'm the self-help author with the free self-help books, free self-help videos, free coins, a fucking giving tree of crypto. So Bitcoin uses Bitcoin miners. Hex uses Ethereum miners. Mm-hmm. Bitcoin inflates to pay people to destroy the environment with proof of waste. Hex inflates to pay people to protect the price by locking up their coins. Mm-hmm. That's it. That's the difference. The other difference is Hex was given for free to Bitcoin holders. Bitcoin wasn't given for free to Bitcoin holders. And Hex right now, after like a 90% dip, is up 250x versus Bitcoin if you bought it January 5th of 2020. I designed something that literally solves all the problems people are facing right now. Everyone subjects themselves to counterparty risk, giving their coins to someone else, hoping to get more back later. They get hacked, they lose all the coins, they get bankrupted. Hex lets you earn yield holding your own keys. It couldn't be any more obvious what a great invention it was. It has a lower rate of inflation than Bitcoin ever had on its run up to 20K, where it was at 3.89. Now it's like half of that because it had a halving. But look, you know, I got to teach people things they don't understand. When was the best time to buy Bitcoin? When Satoshi owned 100% of the coins. When was the best time to buy Bitcoin? When it wasn't listed on any exchanges, just one exchange in Japan. When was the best time to buy Bitcoin? When its inflation rate was the highest.
Yeah.
But people are so fucking stupid that they don't see these obviously true things that I have to point out to them. I mean, look, I mined Bitcoin at 50 cents, bought Bitcoin at 30. Yeah, I made the $30 top along with some other people. And then I held it down to 2. It went down 93%. Then it went up to 1,300. Then it went down to 200. Then it went up to 20,000. Then it went down to 3,000. Then it went up to 14. Then it went down to 3,800. Then it went to 65. Then it went to 30. Then it went to 69. Now it's at 20. Don't know why. It's terrible technology, but it's got a following. It's got product market fit. It does go up sometimes. You know, with like Ethereum went down 95% from 14K to 88, and then it went up to 5K. There was people that sold that. People sold that.
People sold the top.
And it's like every buyer's got a seller. Every seller's got a buyer. And, you know, there's people that have sold the bottom. If you've got a coin that really has product market fit, I think you're stupid to sell a 95% dip. But look, there's coins that won't get back up. You know, there are rug pulls, there are scams, there are things that are bankrupt. Like in Hex, I see, are we on-ramping new users? Is the average stake length going up in time? Mm-hmm. Are we appealing to different verticals? You know, is the infrastructure getting better? There's so many good things going on that I'm extremely happy. Like, yeah, I'm the guy that tells you crypto dips 85 to 95%. Yes, it did. X went up 30X the first dip, and then it dumped with the market the second dip.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's fine. Like, hopefully we do correlate. Well, there's so much stuff Bitcoin can't do, right?
Yeah.
So, like, you've got a big bag of Bitcoin. You want to earn yield on it. You have to endure counterparty risk and lose all your Bitcoin. So, oh, you want yield? Give it to Celsius. Oh, you're screwed. You ain't get your money back out. Oh, oops. They froze withdrawals. Oh, too bad. Not your keys, not your coins. And it was such a no-brainer. Like, you're trying to recreate the existing legacy financial system digitally on the blockchain with peer-to-peer trustless technology or massively trust reduced. And then Bitcoin tried to do currency, failed entirely, is not used as currency by anyone, is too slow, is too expensive, but it succeeded in going up 690 million%. Well, that sounds more important to me anyway. So, you know, we don't actually have a digital peer-to-peer cash. Not that it would be worth anywhere near as much as store value anyway. And we don't have time deposits. And time deposits are like the second most popular thing at your bank. Well, okay, who's doing time deposit? Me, I invented it. What's up? So there's more money in time deposits than there is printed cash. Fact. So my project addresses a larger market than Bitcoin does. We do store value. We do time deposit. We're on a better network with higher throughput. You know, you used to be lower fees. Not sure, fees might be equal now. Depends, I have to go check.
Yeah.
It's just, right, you want to get to stable. You want to do on-chain exchange without counterparty risk where you don't have to worry about your exchange just not sending you your money. They do that. You send money to exchange, they don't send it back out. You can cry, beg, plead.
Yeah.
You know, Hex solves all that stuff. It's more secure. It's a quicker, faster, cheaper, more price performative, more featureful Bitcoin that's better for the environment. It seems like an easy sales pitch, you know, but actually it's a hard sales pitch because most people, they've never seen anything like it before. So like pulsechain.com, it's very easy for them to understand that. Yes, it's a faster Ethereum that doesn't inflate. It just burns 25% of the fees. It's a free airdrop. You get a copy of all your coins on the network. You don't have to sign up or do anything. You just click one button in your MetaMask and you're done. They understand that. Super easy. Faster, cheaper Ethereum. Cool. But Hex, it's like first time deposit. They don't get it. Like you got to explain it all to them.
Yeah.
But I mean, I remember when it was, a lot of people don't understand Bitcoin. In technology terms, 13 years is a long time. Bitcoin's probably found the top of its S-curve. Bitcoin probably has weak gains for the rest of its existence. Let me tell you how weak the gains are.
Okay.
5 years ago, Bitcoin was more expensive than it is now. How them gains looking? 5 years ago, Bitcoin was 20K. Today, Bitcoin's 20K. It was 17K like a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
Sucks balls. Oh, well, how much did it run up? Okay, well, let's just not measure the dips. Let's measure its run-ups. Okay, let's measure its run-ups. Old all-time high, 2017, 20K. New all-time high, 69K. Oh, a 3.5x in 5 years. 3.5x. My coin went up 10,000x in 2 years. Limp. Terrible. Crap. How's that roadmap? Trash. It's garbage. Yep, I got Bitcoin for free. by just double clicking the exe. That doesn't work anymore. You need to buy specialized hardware from a weird third world country, you know, and enrich a mining company to destroy the environment to try and get a little Bitcoin. And all they do is sell the price down all the time to pollute the environment. It sucks. But Richard, 2/3 of it's renewable. Yeah, and they still sell the price down. And they still pay the electric company with that money, even though it's renewable. So, you know, oh, but they're going to capture this gas. They're going to capture this gas. Oh, they're going to capture the gas. No, they're not. They're going to burn the gas to turn into energy, to mine it. And then the burnt stuff's going to come out. You could also just achieve the same thing by just lighting on fire yourself.
Yeah.
They're not putting special filters on there. They're not actually saving the environment. They're just making some money on the environmental destruction. Like, we could launch it now with some errors. Maybe no one will notice. That's most blockchain, but they're just like, they don't give a shit about security. The reason that my product's about 100% perfect flawless operation is because I care about security. I like bragging about it. It'll launch when it's ready. It's not ready yet. NFTs are a unique situation because by and large, they're not trustless. They're scams. So an NFT is a serial number loosely related to a JPEG, which may or may not still be hosted on the internet. And then the guy that's hosting that server could change your NFTs to dick pics. And what would you do? Cry. And so most NFT projects are scammy in that way, in that the blockchain isn't authoritative and they can really just change it however they want. The less scammy ones that like use IPFS or something like that, those would have more, you know, viability because it's the same code. Like, it's a literal bit for bit copy. So like the code that said that you had that NFT over there is the same code that says you have the NFT over here. I'll tell you what, I've never bought an NFT. But if I did, I'd want both copies. I want my Ethereum copy and I want my Pulse Chain copy. Because I'd hate to buy an NFT and then have someone else buy the Pulse Chain copy. And then you're like, well, who's got the real one?